Look at Mommy.
Whoa, Zephyr,
Hi,
you
Zephyr.
look great.
Can we see your lion's tail? Lion's tail? You can't go outside, darling, because the ground is wet. Your socks would
I think
get
she
wet.
just wants to look, though.
She just wants to look. But it's
Feel the
glass.
cool air.
Oh, okay.
All right, Zephyr.
Okay, got it.
Ooh.
Don't
What-
go out, sweetheart. Your feet are
Zephyr.
wet.
Zephyr, it's cold out there.
And wet socks. Don't get your socks wet, honey.
Wind
Cold wind.
and rain.
Wind. We'll go out later if you want, honey, but not. You can't walk with socks because they'll get wet because the ground is wet.
Hey, little lion.
Lion.
Hey, little lion.
Show me what a lion says.
Yeah, what does the lion say, Zephyr?
Hear us through the mane.
Yeah. Little Zephyr.
Zephyr. Look at
Can
Grandma.
you look at Mommy?
I see you. I'm behind you. Rawr.
What does the lion say?
Turn around this way. Tell us what a lion says. Zephyr. Come here. Tell me what a lion says. Show Mommy what a lion says. Big roar.
Of course, because I'm videoing.
Right. Go.
Roar.
Can you do roar? Lion?
What does the lion say, Zephyr? You little
So
thing.
cute.
What does the lion say?
Come on, give us a roar. Come on, you can do it.
What does the lion say, Zephyr?
You've got a lion's head. Let's see your roar. Bird. There's a chiller, you know, Sagan? Big
Zephyr.
outdoors. Okay. Yeah, come on. Come on.
Look, she can get up all by herself without a
Oh yeah, without even a cushion.
without a cushion.
I thought that was so cute the other day where she was in the living room.
Uh-huh.
Sagan's little outfit. Little Toesy.
Hi, little man. Hi, little buddy.
Yeah, hi, buddy. Baby brother Sagan. Little buddy. Rock. And she couldn't get off the sofa, so she took the cushion down, put it on the floor. Viking was sitting next to her, and I said, did she figure that out herself? He says, because she's a genius. And then he later told me that you showed him once over in here, showed her once in here. She's a genius.
She is. All right, Zephyr, can you blow me a kiss?
Want it off? No, okay, sorry. Thought you were trying to take it off.
She's
on,
blown.
it's on.
Kiss.
Mommy.
Yes? Yes, Zephyr? Batitin. Loo-lee-loo. Goo-goo-goo. Bee-bee-bee. Low-low-low. Whoa! Careful, little lion.
Oh. She's got a lot of cushion for her head.
Yeah, really. All right, Zephyr, be careful, little baby
I won't
lion.
be rocking it anymore.
Here's Zeph. Why don't you sit like a little, polite little quiet lion?
Quiet lion, since you're not going to roar.
Yes?
Tickle.
I like your dress. Okay, say up, please. Okay, good manners. Thank you. Manners. Okay, say bye to the rain. There's the rain and the wind. Ooh.